Hello, welcome back. Yesterday's sound was A. Can you say that one for me? A. 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 Well done. Can anyone remember the rhyme that went with it? I'll give you the little picture just to help you. So A, snail in the... Well done. A, snail in the rain. A, snail in the rain. Well done. So today's sound that we're going to look at, again, is a digraph. Lots of digraphs going on. Is ooh. Can you say that one for me? Ooh. 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 Can you say it in a big loud voice now? Ooh. Ooh. Can you say it in a quiet voice? Ooh. Ooh. Well done. Right. For the little rhyme and picture today, we've got a little boy and he's eating some food. So our rhyme for this sound is ooh, ooh, chew the stew. Ooh, ooh, chew the stew. Ooh, ooh, chew the stew. Well done. Right, let's go straight into reading this sound in some words. Let's start off with this word. This word is part of our rhyme. It's only made up of digraphs. So we've got ch, ooh, chew. Can you say that one for me? Ch, ooh, chew. Well done. Right, let's have a go at another one. St, ooh, stew. Can you have a go at saying this one? St, ooh, stew. Well done. Right, let's have a look at this one. Oh, there's only 2 sounds in this one. Ooh, new. Can you say this one? Ooh, new. Well done. Right, last word we're going to have at reading before we start using our thread fingers. You ready? Ooh, fewer. Can you say this one? Ooh, fewer. Say this one for me. Well done. Right, let's get our thread fingers ready and your whiteboards ready to have a go at writing some words. Let's start nice and simple. Let's start with the word chew. Ooh. 2 sounds that make up this word, so get your pinching fingers. Let's pinch those sounds. Ooh, chew. Have a go at writing that one for me. Ooh. Well done. Give yourself a tick for your ch and a tick for your ooh. Well done. Right, next word is the word stew. Ooh. Ooh, 3 sounds that make up this one. Stew. Stew. Have a go at writing that one. Stew. Well done. Right. Let's do the word new. Ooh. Pinch them. Ooh. Only 2 sounds in this one. Have I got writing new? Well done. Oh, we've got to tick stew, didn't we? 1 tick, 3 tick. You ready? Tick for your and a tick for your ooh for new. Well done. Right, last word was that tricky word. Fewer. Right. Ooh, 3 sounds, let's pinch them. Ooh, 3 sounds. Fewer. Have I got writing fewer for me? oo, well done. A tit for your oo, and a tit for your well done. Right, this is today's sound, isn't it? And who can remember the rhyme? It's oo, oo, chew the. Well done. Right, let's get our sound cards ready. When you see this sound, I want you to scream and shout, oo, oo, chew the. Well done. We've got a mixture of set 2 and set 3 sounds. So I want you to say them as you see them, and then shout out when you see today's special friends, okay? I, ow, ah, a, e, oo, oo, chew the. Well done. Are you ready? Let's get ready. Say the sounds as we go. We've got I, o, a, oo, oo, chew the. Well done. Right, we'll do one more. And let's get ourselves ready for it. Remember to say the sounds as we go. A, o, I, e, a, oo, oo, chew the. Well done. Don't forget to join in tomorrow.